Everyone, my name is Amol More and welcome to our channel Solution to Blackbook. Now today I have come up with a very nice and important concept, that is second derivative of a parametric function. It is very important for your HSC and CBSE exams and as well as for our entrance exams like JEE mains and CET. Okay, parametric function I don't need to explain. It's very simple. Suppose x is equal to cos t and y is equal to sin t, and they ask you to find out d2y by dx2, then people find it very easy. Let me tell you, people find it very easy, but 99% of the students make mistake in this, because no matter how trivial this seems, this is a bit complicated concept. Okay, so I'm going to deeply explain this stuff so that the concept is clear. Now x is a function of t, just differentiate both sides with respect to t. So d by dt of dx is equal to d by dt of cosine of t. Very simply put, you will get dx by dt will be equal to minus sin t. Very nice. Similarly, y is provided as a function of t. I will differentiate both sides with respect to t. Just look at the way I write down the differentiation. It's very nice and very important. So I am getting dy by dt as what? Cos t. Okay, I got dx by dt, I got dy by dt. Now I need dy by dx. Again very simple. I have a proof which makes me do so. Dy by dx is dy by dt upon dx by dt, provided that the denominator derivative dx by dt is a non-zero quantity. Very simple. So dy by dt came out to be cos t and dx by dt came out to be minus sin t. Okay, and the answer simply comes out to be minus cot t dy by dx. Now the story is very simple up to here. After this, people make mistake. What kind of mistakes? Let me tell you. Now you need to find out d2y by dx2 and you have dy by dx with you. I'll add a page because that is very important. dy by dx is equal to minus cot t. So you will differentiate both sides now with respect to x, right? With respect to x, you have differentiated both the sides. Now the left hand side is simply d2y by dx2, that is the second order derivative of y with respect to x. Now check the right hand side, you are differentiating cot t, which is a function of t, with respect to x. Totally not done. So you need some adjustment. So dx, I just flipped it on the other side. Okay, why? I write down dt and dt multiplied and divided by dt so as to make this function very nice looking function. See now, I can differentiate cot t with respect to t. That is totally possible. And that is how you do it. I multiplied and divided by what? Just dt. Now the derivative of cot t, I don't need to tell you, it is minus cosec square t, but there is always a minus sign already. So I will write down cosec square t. Now what is dt by dx? Definitely it is 1 upon dx by dt. For this also we have the proof, dx by dt should be a non-zero quantity. Very nice. So d2y by dx2 will be equal to cosec square t. All I need in life now is dx by dt, because dt by dx was equal to 1 by dx by dt. Now what is dx by dt? Let us see. It was simply minus sin t. Very nice. So I will write down minus sin t. Okay. So I can bring the cosec square t down. So 1 by minus sin t into sin square t. And this is how I got the double derivative or second order derivative of y with x minus 1 upon sin cube t. That was my d2y by dx square. Let me box it. Very important concept. Teeny tiny mistakes people make, and because of which the double derivative comes out to be wrong. I hope you understood every single detail, especially this detail which I talked about in detail. Okay, you can differentiate a function t with respect to t. This is just like a chain rule, I can say. You can apply chain rule also. And this is how this stuff goes. I hope you understood and like this second derivative of parametric functions where t was a parameter function in x and y was given. Okay. Obviously, you can also eliminate t and solve this question, but there are questions in which elimination will become difficult. Here, I just took a very simple example for you to understand this particular stuff in detail. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more such video. This is Amol More saying bye bye to you.